Well, I absolutely love this. This is why it's number one today. From Mark Hess, it's called Easy Prompt Creator Pro. None of that matters. Prompt is the word. And a prompt is artificial intelligence, ChatGPT prompt that basically tells the computer, the software, to do what you want. You're going to love how easy this is. That's why it's called Easy Prompt Creator. And you're going to love how cheap this is. I'm not sure what he's doing, but it started out at $9. It's at $9.88 as we speak right now, about 12 o'clock Vancouver, BC time on the 11th. So it's on a dime sale. As people buy it, it's the number one top seller. So it continues to rise. I don't know it's going up 5 or 10 cents each time someone buys, or it's something like that. So $9.88 as we speak right now, $9.88. So under $10. And let me just show you. First off, I'm just going to mention, you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see the same lovely picture that you see on the screen. You click that. You click the link, and the link at the bottom, and it takes you to this page that we're at right now. There's a description there. Tells you a little bit about it, but everything you need is really on this page. So you can go click and be right here. And I'm going to screen past the blah, blah, blah prompts are great. The blah, blah, blah. Here's a video. That's Mark Hess there. And I'm going to go down to, it's number one. So here we go. This is it. This is what it looks like. So I want to show how easy this is. I want to create a prompt that, I don't know, could it be simpler than that? And you'd go in here and you'd go, takes my picture and makes it into a cartoon. I don't know, whatever else you want to do, blows up deletes every email, that whatever it is that you want to do, put it in there. Create a prompt that, and then here you generate prompt, create a prompt. Generate the prompt. Bunk. And then it says here, you're going to come up with the prompt. Now copy and paste this into, take your pick, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, DeepSeek, to create your prompt. So this is their prompt. You're going to pop it in here, and it's going to create, it's not going to create the prompt. It's going to create, so you're going to copy and paste this to create your result is what it really is going to do. It's a little confusing. So you're going to copy that, take it to your ChatGPT, whatever version, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, DeepSeek, whatever you're at. Copy this by hitting that green button, put it in. That's it. He's got a Facebook group for you. So the AI prompt can do anything you can ever think of. It doesn't get, as he says, it doesn't get any easier than this to create AI prompts from scratch. I'm going to just screen past, you get the idea. It makes computer stuff. You don't need to know anything. You just enter in just like that. You just type in what you want. Here he goes. Answer one question and click a button. And the question is, what do you want the prompt to do? Create infographics, write blog posts, generate sales pages, write affiliate emails, whatever it is that you want, bam, you put it in one line. Create viral Twitter hooks, build a school sales pitch, write CTAs, turn an idea into a digital prompt, humanize AI tags, create prompt-powered content, transform AI junk into content, write faceless TikTok scripts that blow up without showing your face. A million different things. You're going to, and it continues to do this. Now, the next day you have a new idea, you can put that in, generate the prompt, copy it here with the green button, copy it, and then put it into one of these, the AI format. I'll call it ChatGPT for the generic kind of form. So you copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and bam. So they show you, here we go. So here's them actually doing it. Write viral tweet threads that get thousands of followers overnight. Well, that's pretty amazing. Let's see how that works. Oh, this gives you what they want the GPT to do. So this is much more detailed than what you put in, which is a one line. And then they go, hey, here's what you're wanting to. So it really fleshes out your idea to create it, especially if you're wanting something as complex as that. So then here's a different one, write blog posts that sound human and make money. Here's another big, huge thing that comes out of it. And you take this and you put it into ChatGPT and it cranks out. You can see there the topic is, and there's, I'll call it a placeholder, which is something that can be changed. Subject. So subject is whatever you want, and it does it, right? Topic, whatever you want, and it does it. So write an affiliate email, here's what comes up. Write build lead magnets, here's what comes up. And you take that and you copy it into ChatGPT and away it goes. So you're telling it exactly, not just generically like one line like that. This is fleshing it out so it's really exact. And it goes without saying that once you've done this a few times, you can look at this and maybe adjust it. Even the topic there is meant to be adjustable, but you can do more. You can go into this and go, no, I don't really want that. I want more of this. I want to change things a little bit. You can do that. Copy and paste, rinse, repeat. Again, this is a $10 piece of software. I'm going to stop it here and just scroll down because you get the idea. It's that easy. Bam, $9.88. Click the link in the video description. Take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Click the product box like the ones you just saw there, or the link, the red link, and it'll bring you right to this page. You scroll down, grab it for, what was it right now? Is it $9.88? Yes, $9.88 as we speak, under $10. And it'll just create for you everything you need to create the prompts for anything you want to have AI do for you. Check it out. Click the link. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Mark Hess put together another great piece of software called Easy Prompt Creator Pro. He just does stuff where he takes a single thing that people want done and creates a piece of software for it. And that's exactly what this is. So check out Mark Hess's fresh thing out today called Easy Prompt Creator Pro. Yeah, Pro. Sorry, I stopped. Click the link and go check it out. Enjoy.